National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Starr County and deep South Texas until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:19 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging 60 miles per hour winds over Grande City, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Las Lomas, Santa Cruz, Garciasville, Alto Benito. Severe thunderstorms can produce wind speeds strong enough to bring down trees and power lines and damage or destroy mobile homes and outbuildings. Please report tornadoes or final clouds, winds of 58 miles per hour or higher, hail the size of pennies or larger, and any wind damage to your National Weather Service in Brownsville by calling 956-504-1432.